Kugni, spicy green peas. Ingredients: 250 grams green peas, half kilogram potatoes, half teaspoon sugar, 1 lemon, 1 piece of ginger julienne, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 pinch of pepper powder, 2 tablespoon coconut, grated, a few coriander leaves, oil to fry, salt to taste. Method: shell the green peas and boil in salted water. Drain and keep aside. Boil the potatoes separately. Peel, cut into pieces and keep aside. Heat oil in a kadai. Add cumin seeds when they splatter and ginger julienne. Add the boiled peas, potatoes, chili powder, salt and sugar. Steam for a minute. Squeeze the juice of lemon. Cover the kugni, sprinkle and pepper and remove from fire. Garnish with coriander leaves and coconut. Serve hot as a snack. Aloo Potoler Jhol, parwal and potato curry. Ingredients: 250 grams poto or parwal, half teaspoon cumin seeds, 2 potatoes, 2 whole red chili, 2 tomatoes, half tablespoon sugar, 1 piece of ginger, 1 bay leaf, 2 tablespoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala powder, 1.5 teaspoon cumin powder, salt to taste, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 3 tablespoon oil, 2 teaspoon chili powder. Method: cut the potato into half. Peel and dice potatoes. Heat a dice oil in a kadai and lightly fry the potato and potatoes separately. Keep aside. Grind the ginger into a smooth paste and blend with the teaspoon of water. To this paste, add the chili powder, turmeric powder, cumin powder and coriander powder. Blend to form a thin paste with water. Heat oil. Add cumin seeds and whole red chili broken into pieces. When they begin to crackle, add the masala paste along with the tomatoes. Fry till the tomatoes blend with the masala. Add the fried vegetables, sugar and salt. Pour about 3 cups of water and simmer on low heat till the vegetables are done. The gravy should be thick. Sprinkle gram masala and remove from fire. Serve hot with rice and chapatis. Batha Kopi Dai Jhal, a cabbage and rice preparation. Ingredients: 200 grams cabbage, 1 teaspoon sugar, 120 grams potatoes, 1 piece cinnamon stick, 15 grams rice, 3 cardamoms, 10 grams onions, 2 cloves, 1 piece ginger, salt to taste, 5 green chilies, oil for cooking, 1 teaspoon chili powder. Method: shred the cabbage and stem. Soak the rice for 10 minutes. Peel the cut potatoes into small pieces. Slice the onion, ginger and green chilies finely. Heat the oil and fry the potatoes until light brown. Keep aside. In the same oil, fry the onions. Add the cloves, cardamoms and cinnamon. Stir for a minute. Add rice, chili powder and ginger. Fry till the rice turns brown. Add sufficient water to cook the rice. When the rice is nearly cooked, add the cabbage, potatoes and green chilies. Simmer till the water has been absorbed. Add salt and sugar. Fry for about 5 minutes. Serve hot. Aloo Potoler, potatoes with a couscous. Ingredients: half kilogram potatoes or 1 teaspoon sugar, 2 tablespoon khaskhas and half teaspoon kalonji, 2 green chilies, oil for cooking, 1 teaspoon salt. Method: peel the potatoes, soak the khaskhas for 30 minutes, grind to a smooth paste along with green chilies, heat oil in a kadai, add kalonji, add the potatoes and fry for a few minutes till they turn golden brown. Add the khaskhas paste, sugar and salt, add a little water, cover and cook till the potatoes are done. The dish is a dry preparation, so don't add too much water. Serve hot with rice. Sukto, a mixed vegetable dish with mustard flavor. Ingredients: 4 potatoes, 1 piece ginger, 2 drumsticks, 1 tablespoon coriander seeds, 2 brinjals, 2 tablespoon mustard seeds, 2 sweet potatoes, 1 tablespoon khaskhas and 2 raw bananas, quarter teaspoon panch foron, 1 bitter gram, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 carrot, 1 tablespoon ghee, 1 radish, 1 tablespoon mustard oil, 1 cup milk and salt to taste. Method: wash and cut the brinjals into cubes. Scrape potatoes, carrot, radish, sweet potatoes, bananas and cut into large cubes. Scrapes and cut bitter ground into radicals. Apply salt and keep aside for half an hour. Pat dry after spreading it. Cover over a lean dry cloth. Heat oil in a kadai and fry the bitter gourd pieces till they are crisp. Remove and keep aside. Grind mustard seeds, coriander seeds, ginger and khaskhas into a thick paste. Heat oil. Add panch foron. When it splatters, add the vegetables, except bitter ground. Stir fry for a few minutes. Add the ground masala and 2 cups water. Cover and cook till the vegetables are almost cooked. Add the fried bitter ground, salt and sugar. Cook till all the vegetables are tender. Remove from fire. Add ghee. Serve hot. Batha kopir ghondo, a cabbage preparation. Ingredients: 400 grams cabbage, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 large potatoes, half teaspoon cumin seeds, 10 grams green peas shelled, and half teaspoon garam masala powder, 1 large tomato chopped, 1 teaspoon ghee, 1 piece ginger ground and 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 2 teaspoon oil, 2 teaspoon cumin powder, salt to taste, 1 bay leaf. Method: finely chop the cabbage, dice the potatoes into even sized pieces, or shell the peas. Heat oil in a kadai, drop the potatoes in it and fry till lightly brown. Remove and keep aside. Heat some more oil in a kadai and add the cumin seeds ground with the ginger and bay leaf. Stir till the cumin seeds splatter. Mix turmeric, coriander and cumin powders in a tablespoon of water and pour into the oil. Fry for 2 minutes. Add water in cast it begins to burn. Add the cabbage. Stir for a few minutes. Add green peas and cover. Cook until the cabbage is tender. Add the fried potatoes, tomatoes, salt and sugar. Cook until the vegetables are done. Add garam masala and a drop of ghee. Remove from heat and serve hot. Begin bhauja. Brinjal fry. Ingredients: 2 large round seedless brinjal, salt to taste, 2 teaspoon turmeric powder, oil for frying. Method: cut the brinjals into half roundels. Coat the pieces with salt and turmeric powder. Heat oil in a kadai. Deep fry the brinjal for both sides until they are brown and serve hot with rice and dal. The same method can be used to make potato fry, parwal fry and karela fry. Dough begin. Fried brinjal in curd. Ingredients: 6 medium-sized brinjal, half teaspoon chili powder, 1 cup curd, quarter teaspoon mustard seeds, 1 onion, half teaspoon cumin seeds, 2 green chilies, some curry leaves and quarter piece of ginger, salt to taste, 2 cloves garlic crushed, oil for frying and half teaspoon turmeric powder. Method: chop the green chilies finely julienned and ginger and slice the onion in a large bowl. Heat the curd with a teaspoon of salt and keep aside. Cut the brinjal into long stripes. Make a mixture of salt, chili powder and turmeric powder. Coat the brinjal with the mixture. Heat oil in a kadai and deep fry the brinjal pieces. Remove and keep aside. In another kadai, heat a little oil and add the mustard seeds. When the mustard seeds begin to splutter, add cumin seeds, ginger, juliennes, green chilies, onion, garlic and curry leaves. Fry them for some time. Temper the beaten curd with the fried ingredients. Slip the fried brinjals into a tempered curd and let them soak the flavors. Serve with rice in pulao.